Add text behind objects. Import your video clip to timeline. Select the type tool and click on your preview window. Now type in your text. After, go to Essential Graphics and make whatever adjustment to the text that you want. Now, extend the duration of your text layer to match your video layer. Now, duplicate your video layer. Holding Alt key and clicking and dragging the video layer to layer 3. Select layer 3 video and go to Effects tab. Search for color key and drag it onto the top video layer. Go to Effects Control and scroll down to the color key. Select the little dropper tool, then go over and click on the area behind on your subject. Please note, this effect will only work if your foreground subject is different color than your background. Finally, adjust the color tolerance and edge thin until your text moves behind the subject. Now it's ready to play. I think this video is helpful to you, so don't forget to subscribe our channel.